Alright, so today we are looking at a Husqvarna YTH1848 XPT, powered by Kawasaki FH531V engine. And let's take a look at the pertinent information on the label here. There we go, if any of that helps you. This is belongs to an acquaintance of mine that was mowing the grass, and the blade, excuse me, not the blade, but the deck belt came off, and I just stopped by to put it back on and maybe find out why it came off. Belt seems to be in pretty good shape, so we'll just have to keep an eye on it. Pretty solid looking unit. I did some mowing with it and it feels solid. Those definitely look like garden tractor tires to me on the back. Looking at 22 by 9.5 12s. Some serious rims right there. We got a 3-blade deck, and it's 48 inches wide. Now let's take a look at the model number of this thing. There's the model number. Would this mean that that's an 06? Maybe. Hydrostatic drive. Little bumper. Got cast iron front axle. A little bit heavier duty. And I think I saw an hour meter on here somewhere. $1,070 hours, just shy of 1,070 hours. Is that a lot? I don't know. I don't have an hour meter on my lawn tractor. Of course I have several. Oh yeah, look at that. Here is a sticker that says the date of manufacture, 2006. All in all, it seems to be a pretty solid machine. I hope my friend here gets a lot of additional hours out of it. I think he just picked it up used, but it's in pretty good shape. So there you go, the YTH1848 XPT Husqvarna, powered by Kawasaki. Thanks for watching.